Sukla and welcome back to in this YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about whenever you try to speak English, you stuck because of words don't come in your mind whenever you try to speak English. So how it is removed? Today I'm going to talk about in this topic that is faced by every learners who wants learn this language. Okay, so first of all, learning a language, this is a not piece of cake. So what should do for learning this language and how to is overcome? So in this video I am going to tell you something. First of all, this is a very common problem and that is faced by every learners who want to learn this language. So if whenever you try to speak English and you feel words don't come in your mind, so which is a normal, because learning a language, it is not piece of cake. So what should do? So first of all, listen to me carefully, only 1-2 minutes, which I am going to tell you. The thing is that how can you speak your mother tongue? Because you are taught by your parents, by your environment. Is it true? And you know Marathi language, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. Because of you are hearing these languages. These languages are surrounding yours. You are speaking this language, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, whatever your mother tongue, you speak all the time. And whatever you listen, means Gujarati, Hindi, whichever language you hears, you remember easily and you can speak easily. Your mother tongue you can speak easily because you always use your language, so it becomes easy for you. But why English is tough? When you try to speak, you stuck, words don't come in your mind while speaking. So there is need more practice. First of all, ask yourself how many time you give for your learning this language. Please ask yourself. In the starting, you have to give at least an hour in a day, at least 15 minutes in a day. It is required to learn any language which you want to learn. I told you, learning a language, it is not piece of cake. How words recall? You can recall words by your practice. First of all, you should choose very simple words which you can remember. When you try to learn new word, so don't write in your notebook. Means if you write in your notebook, so that is the good. But more important, you should speak. You should put out. Because when you try to listen new words, when you try to speak, on that time, you should, when you listen something words, you put in your mind those words which you are listening and learning. So you are putting in your mind. You are writing in your notebook, but you are not trying to speak. You are not putting out those words which you want to learn and use. So you should put out those words all the time. Whenever you feel I am free, if you are not free, you should try. Because of you want to learn this language. So you have to give more efforts for learning this language. And it comes gradually. learning language, it takes his time. So you should take some times. Today you learn some words and write down. And you are started thinking, I will recall these words which you wrote in your notebook. So, and tomorrow will we remember these words. So it doesn't work. At least you should speak, you should put out those words which you are learning in a day. When you speak your mother tongue, so you speak easily. You are not stuck while speaking your language, your mother tongue, because you are perfect in your mother tongue language. Perfect recalling your mother tongue's words. Why? Because you are speaking all the time and you are hearing, listening all those words which is related to your mother tongue, and you can speak Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi because you are living surrounding these are languages. In India there are so many languages and we are listening these languages, so we are comfortable with those languages. But if we talk about English language, we want to learn this language, but we are not able to speak because of we have no environment like speaking English language. So we are not able to. We don't listen all the time English language. We don't listen, we don't hear, but we are trying. So that is a very common problem. And if you are thinking about yourself, whenever I try to speak English, words don't come in my mind, so which is a very common problem. If you are facing this problem, so don't worry, it is removed by your practice, more practice. You have to give more efforts for learning this language. You will be able to speak English language easily. And if you try today to speak this language and you are thinking tomorrow I will be perfect, so no, it takes around a year for learning this language. And keep on your practicing, then you can see your good result. You must be able to speak English properly. Gradually you will be able to speak English, and eventually if you try all the time to speak this language, first day you will face some problems. You will forget the words, you will forget the sentences, you will forget all those things which you want to say, which you want to translate in English. It happens with every learners who wants to learn this language. I also faced this problem, but I never give up. I kept on my practicing, and you can see me. I am speaking on the camera and sometimes I make mistakes, but I am not caring about this. Why? Because making a mistake, it is a human nature, and learning new things, you will definitely make mistakes while learning any thing. So in the starting, making any type of mistake, it will run. So don't worry about this. And your practice make you perfect. So in the starting, you will definitely make mistakes. And by your mistake, you will be learned. So don't worry. If you have this type of problems you are facing whenever you try to speak English, you was blank. So don't worry, it comes little by little, or that is removed by your practice, your more efforts. So and another things, I have another suggestion for you. You should watch cartoon serials, cartoons videos, which is available on the YouTube, because in the cartoon videos you can find out very simple sentences, very simple words, so you can learn easily, you can understand easily and learn. So you should watch cartoon serials on the YouTube. That was my suggestion for you. You should watch cartoon serials, because of there is given very simple words in cartoon serials. So you should watch, because you can understand easily, and try to listen more. When you try to listen more, then you put in your mind words, sentences, and try to speak. Put out words, sentences. Then you will be able to keep on trying, learning. So no one can stop you for learning anything, whatever you want to learn. So keep trying. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon bottom so that you can find my videos notification. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.